Advanced Elements is the leader in design and manufacturing of inflatable kayaks with cutting-edge technology and providing excellent customer service. All of their products are designed to give paddlers the tools they need at a value they deserve. Check them out at advancedelements.com or call toll-free at 866-262-9076.
Hello, and welcome to Paddling Places Florida Adventures. I'm your host, Mr. D. Hey, today we're going to be taking a new camera on the water and doing some tests, and it is the GoPro Max. It is a 360-degree camera, and I've got all kinds of weird plans for this thing, and I want to see how it works. The biggest problem is the editing. The editing is a little bit cantankerous. But as far as the picture quality and stuff like that, well, hey, let's go find out. We're going to do a quick walk around the park, and then we're going to test this thing out on a kayak and see how it does. Now, you know I have the floating tripod and it has 4 cameras on it. This will eliminate the need for 4 cameras, 100%. So that's what I'm hoping, and it should get some creative shots, 360 degree. Now, this camera does both what they call the hero mode. Now, hero mode is just the single, like a GoPro, it just shoots one direction. Well, this does all of this in one camera. I can shoot one direction and then flip to the other camera in the hero mode and do that, or I can shoot 360 degrees. So it should be a lot of fun to test out. I don't know what the heck I'm doing yet, so hey, let's learn together. Well, right now I'm in the 360 mode, guys, and walking through this area, and you can see I'm going to be able to manipulate this footage into 2D flat video, because I won't be using this as VR or virtual reality system. Now, this is being shot in 360, as you can see here, and get the footage I want. I don't have to turn. I can do that in manipulation in post-production, so it's kind of cool. So anyway, we're going to continue our walk, and hey, we'll be back in a bit. All right, one of the first things I found out about this, when you first turn this on, it goes into hero mode. You have to switch it to 360 mode. And so I did an actual walk by, which I'm going to do right now, but it was in hero mode, so it only caught me on one lens. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and do the walk by in 360 mode. So let me do that right now. Now you can see what the camera picks me up on the second lens over here, but it's all being done in 360 degree video. So that's the walk by. Go. Well, one of the things you got to learn, guys, with working with a 360 camera is how to hold it and how to shoot it. The use of the camera itself is pretty much easy, but learning how to get the 360, get it edited, having the right position for your handheld selfie stick is a challenge, because you don't want your arm out like that. There you can see my arm. So you learn to do it like this, and then shoot your 360 this way. Now it's picking up both sides, and I'm going to show you that now. And this is also an audio check of the stock microphones on the GoPro Max. I want to see how well it picks up. Most of the narration I've done so far is done with a microphone, as you can see here, and a digital recorder. Now this is in the forward lens in hero mode, and it actually does a really nice job. I'm using the stock audio for this particular shot. Guys, we are in the hero mode rear lens right now, shooting it that way, and I'm going to load up the application. Now, one of the things I really like about this camera is the ability to go forward and aft in hero mode, which is the same thing as having a single GoPro. But here in the application or on the on-screen, it's touchscreen. You can touch that and flip the camera to the other lens. Really a cool feature. So what we're going to do now, guys, is I'm going to kind of walk you through the camera itself. So hey, we'll be back in a bit. Here's the Max 360 mounted on the GoPro Max Grip, and as you can see, it's really a compact unit. And now right up here is the microphone. You have the forward lens and the aft lens. It's touchscreen, like I said, and you can go through all kinds of different processes here. This takes you to 360. You see the globe come up right there. And to start recording on that, GoPro start recording. Now I'm actually recording in 360. And it's really a cool camera. I mean, it really works. The biggest hurdle that you're going to have is how to hold the camera when shooting and post-production. That's the big deal. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to wrap up this part of this video, and we are going to get ready to take this out on the kayak itself. So hey, we'll be back in a bit. Now we are in actual 360 mode right now, and that gator is still crossing, but we're getting ready now to go ahead and mount this stuff on the kayak and see how it does. And that'll be in the next segment. We're not launching today, there's too much wind. So hey, we'll see you in a bit.